Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about metal additive manufacturing based topics in which we are going to learn about functionality graded additive manufactured components. While discussing about functionality based additive manufacturing components, functionality graded represent the varieties of material and varieties of components through which we can able to develop the product with the different types of materials such as the best example is a mixture of components such as aluminum with the copper, brass, bronze. The mixture of any two component or the two component can able to generate the product quality and product capability and the properties of the material, and the final applications of the product will be varies based upon the different requirement. So to develop the functionally graded based components, the additive manufacturing possesses the best solution through which we can able to mixture any two types or more than two types of metals in different form. So in basic of additive manufacturing process in metal additive manufacturing, the metal will be available in the form of powder. So we can able to solidify or desolidify, or we can able to convert into molten stage, or without molten stage we can able to modify any number of product with the help of additive manufacturing process. So producing the functionally graded additive manufacturing components which we are going to discuss about in this lecture. The second one will be based on DT empathy. This is the first stage where we are going to discuss how the additive manufacturing helps the functionally graded manufacturing component with the help of several materials. In the picture, we can able to identify that copper and aluminum, which is able to possess two properties through which the copper have possess the corrosion resistant, and the another alloy will be based on high strength generation. So in order to produce the cutting tool, the first layer has to be hardened, the second layer has to be tough, the third layer has to be bitter. So these type of process can be easily developed by using additive manufacturing process by combination of different types of property holding metals, such as the corrosion resistance will not possess the high strength, and on the other hand the harder property cannot possess by the tougher. So these types of property can be possible by using functionally graded components with the help of additive manufacturing technology. So in the example products such as bimetallic to copper, the second will be 316 stainless steel, which is nothing but to inconel. Third will be gradient based structure, and the fourth one will be so his lattices. For the lattice structure alone, we can able to modify different type of functionally graded materials. Second one will be define. To define the functionally graded material, we can able to process the any product or the application oriented component can be easily developed by using additive manufacturing with the help of SLS, selective laser sintering, and will be SLM, the selective laser melting. These two to three structure can be able to help the functionally graded additive manufactured component production feasibility in complex structure, through which we can able to develop any complicated structure by using multiple material function. So these can be able to follow easily, and we can be able to develop easily. Second will be how the functionally graded materials has been selected, and what are the types of application through which we can able to develop this FGM based structure. The first will be aerospace application. We can able to develop a propeller. Second will be automotive like brake pad, brake belt pad, and flywheels, gearbox. So these can be able to developed by using functionally graded material. Third will be commercial. For commercial is nothing but manufacturing varieties of gradient through which cemented carbide can be combined with any carbon component with the easy development. The fourth one will be medical application for prosthetics. For customized synthesis based product can be able to develop by using functionally graded material. The last one will be marine. So in marine application, the metal has to be corrosion resistant. Metal has to be withstand with a long temperature, withstand able to very low temperature. These can be able to applicable by using functionally graded materials. And this is the structure how the functional grade material can able to enhance the property by different process such as composition, arrangement, distribution, interface, dimension, orientation. These are the factors to be considered while we are mixing any 2 to 3 components in different modified structure. Last will be the gradient process with the application. So FGM type will be based on composition, microstructure, and porosity. Based on these three characteristics, the FGM product has been carried over. So the gradient process can be helpful for construction, transportation, and then it can be in the form of solid, liquid, and gaseous state, which can be able to develop varieties of component with the help of laser deposition, gravity setting, centrifugal casting, and centrifugal slurry can be to be processed out by using the functional gradient material with the help with this application with the wider varieties. This is how additive manufacturing helps the multi-variety component with the multi-complexity structure in easy availability of the material. Thank you.